am evil. I'm drowning, Doctor. And I can't stop asking myself, why do I hate myself so much?
So I like to punish people too. Or at least I used to.
You are the actual devil. I mean, every story of good and bad from throughout history, throughout time, says that you are the embodiment of evil.
I think I made a horrible mistake.
So, happy birthday, Detective.
Like a hurricane, I take it in real slow. The world is spinning like a weather.
We don't all turn into our parents, Detective. Look at me. I don't think I've ever been the son that he wants me to be.
Detective, this is unexpected.
I am aching now to let you in.
I guess we make a good team after all, don't we?
This is real, isn't it? Dead mortals to punish themselves. I mean, why do they blame me for all their little failings, as if I'd spent my days sitting on their shoulder, forcing them to commit acts they'd otherwise find repulsive? Oh, the devil made me do it! I have never made any one of them do anything! Never!
What happened to you is unfair.
Unfair.
This is your father's doing. Chloe is his doing. He put her in your path.
Coming like a
None of it was real.
slow. The world is spinning like a weather vane, fragile and cold. Though I am breaking down again,
You can't outrun what you've done.
I am
What you truly are.
aching now.
Lucifer. It's all true.
Our partnership ended when you ghosted me and
It's
the
all
entire
we
department.
know. Falling slow.
You don't care about anyone other than yourself unless they can be of use to you.
It's all we
Sound familiar?
Tread very carefully, Mace.
You're just like your parents. You're playing your own angle.
falling slow.
And you didn't tell me.
We need to lose something before we can understand its value.
I don't know
Chloe Decker, will you marry me?
how it's been changed.
Understand, I can't.
But why?
Because I stole them from me!
When the devil walks the earth and finds his first love,
Why are they still like this?
evil shall be released.
I believe in right and wrong, and deep down I think that you do too.
This is harder than
You're the devil.
we hold it in the
But you're also
The devil. What do you?
Coming like a hurricane, I take it in real slow.
I want her to choose me.
The world is spinning like a
was you, Chloe. It always has been.